Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. MAKHUMALO recently bought herself a house through one of her companies. And she renovated it from scratch with her own money. No joint account, no loan. From her husband, no hand holding, just her own bag, her own plan, and her own power. Musa is reportedly taking out a loan to buy houses for his other wives. MAKHUMALO is out here flipping her own property like a boss. It's not just a flex, it's a wake-up call. Her decision is not only inspiring, but also quietly revolutionary. In a space where women are often expected to take the back seat financially in a polygamous union, she's rewriting what independence looks like in a marriage, and she's doing it with elegance and quiet confidence. MAKHUMALO's solo stride is a powerful reminder that love should never cost you your freedom or dim your shine. She's making major money moves that every woman should pay attention to. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.